Now it's time for the Intense 5. So, as BlackBerry shut down completely, Elon Musk is about to launch his Tesla smartphone that may push all other phone companies into oblivion. You know Elon Musk going to just go hard and done, right? By the way, he says his phone can work on Mars, okay? Just letting you know. So, when the Archbishop of Kingston remixed a Bounty Killer gun song, it got mixed reviews from the public. But hey, Bounty liked it, and so did our PM, who was standing right there.
Run, come up in the church, no boy. Listen to the gospel, boy. Sit down on the church bench, and your life will change.
So, what's really the story coming out of Akompong? Because we hear that the shooting didn't take place at the Maroon Festival, but instead at an event that took place afterwards. So, I don't really know what going on. It's what really happened. Jacure's first public hearing for attempted murder and aggravated assault is set for January 12th in the Netherlands. Of course, we'll keep you updated on that one. And finally holding the spot this week, Grammys postponed because of, you guessed it, COVID. No new date has been set as yet, but hopefully, they'll figure it out soon because we are really anxious to see who's gonna get the Reggae Grammy. I don't know, but I'm excited. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Pink Boss is the next big thing. We're soon forward.
I have no feelings inside, cause right now I don't trust mankind. Them hurt me so many times, I'm gonna let me blind, but I'm not stay blind.